Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best popcorn machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have West Bend Popcorn Machine. The 4-quart theater popcorn machine is perfect for snacking while binge-watching your favorite shows. Its cabinet holds up to 4 quarts of popped popcorn with tilt door for easy serving. This magnetic kettle cover sticks to the top to stay out of the way. The popper cabinet has a small footprint that gives you theater-style popcorn at home. The product voltage range is 110 volts. At number 5 we have Great Popcorn Machine. The theater-style popcorn maker includes an 8 ounces stainless steel kettle that makes about 3 gallons of popcorn, a heated deck to keep this delicious snack fresh, and an old maid's drawer that collects the reject kernels for easy cleanup. The matinee-style popcorn maker has an attractive design aimed to capture the nostalgic vintage charm of antique machines. It brings both the feeling and the smell of the movie theater right to your home or event. This tabletop popcorn maker is sure to fit on any countertop in your home or business. The 850 watts machine makes serving yummy popcorn in the break room at a birthday party or sporting events easier than ever. The 3-switch design allows you to use the kettle heater and stirrer, overhead light, and warming deck independently of each other. At number 4 we have Nostalgia Popcorn Machine. Whether movie time or snack time, this unit pops up to 32 cups of movie theater popcorn per batch to keep popcorn buckets full. The stainless steel kettle holds 8 ounces of popcorn kernels and is designed with a built-in kernel stirring system and dual-hinged lid to easily empty popcorn. The kettle can be removed for easy cleaning. This lighted interior creates a fun and pleasant room ambience and allows you to watch your popcorn pop. At number 3 we have Superior Popcorn Machine. The theater-style popcorn maker includes an 8 ounces stainless steel kettle that makes about 3 gallons of popcorn, a heated deck to keep this delicious snack fresh, and an old maid's drawer that collects the reject kernels for easy cleanup. The movie night-style popcorn maker has an attractive design aimed to capture the nostalgic vintage charm of antique machines. It brings both the feeling and the smell of the movie theater right to your home or event. This tabletop machine latches onto the included serving cart with two 16 bicycle-style tires for smooth mobility. It also features a working shelf, a push handle, a storage cabinet for supplies, and adjustable feet for added stability. The 3-switch design allows you to use the kettle heater and stirrer, overhead light, and warming deck independently of each other. At number 2 we have Northern Popcorn Machine. This machine has revolutionized the industry with its sleek styling, extra-large kettle capacity, and extra-large popcorn yield. The Pop Heaven is perfect for churches, schools, kid clubs, varsity clubs, concessionaires, and anyone else looking to pop more corn and increase their yields. If you are in the market for a popcorn popper, stop looking. The Pop Heaven is the largest popcorn machine and a proven performer. The 1350-watt kettle heats/cooks the popcorn quicker than our other machines, and the larger size holds much more popcorn. These commercial-quality machines feature stainless steel food zones, easy cleaning stainless steel kettles, and exclusive warming deck old maid drawers for unpopped kernels, tempered glass panels, and an industry-leading 12-ounce kettle operating on 1350 watts. At number 1 we have Funtime Popcorn Machine. It is designed with home theater enthusiasts in mind. This deluxe hot oil popcorn machine has a number of upgrades that takes it to a whole new level. This machine features rigid stainless steel construction, tempered side and back glass panels, as well as tempered glass doors. The all-metal whisper quiet motor ensures even stirring of the large 16 ounces stainless steel kettle, and the enhanced heating deck will help keep your popcorn fresh. The Palace Popper is made of premium, high-quality stainless steel, so your popper will remain free of rust and corrosion regardless of the working environments. All 4 sides of the unit are also made of high-visibility safety tempered glass. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best popcorn machines for your need.